This 2019 Heartland Landmark 365 LM Phoenix is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Apopka, Florida, 32703 and is offered for sale by Central Florida RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, stovetop burner, awning, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, refrigerator, LP detector, DVD player, water heater, oven, smoke detector, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features kitchen island. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Heartland Landmark 365 LM Phoenix is 15,752 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.